Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Kids Me, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this sleek ponytail that I was able to create with this crochet hair. So as you can see, I'm going to be using a spray bottle with my favorite gel. Really doesn't matter which one you use, just use the one that's best for you. As you all may know, I have really thick hair. So what I like to do is I like to work in sections. So I start off with the back of my hair, section off. I go ahead and I put that in a ponytail once I smooth the gel through my hair. I also already have leave-in conditioner inside of my hair as well. And then I work my way to the top. Now again, because you want to get it as sleek as possible, I just suggest that you do it in the three sections so that you can try to get it as smooth as you can. I am using my dimming brush as well as just a hard bristle brush. I definitely love the dimming brush in the way it defines my curls. So I am going to pull some of my edges out. As y'all can see on the opposite side of my hair, I am losing some of my edges. So I'm looking for some remedies for me to grow my edges back. Y'all let me know if y'all know anything. I'm going to be doing my research. And I will be documenting my journey as well so that you can see. I don't know if it's the braids or what, but yeah, your girl losing her edges and that cannot happen, okay? I get done putting my whole hair into a ponytail, I am going to go with my Got To Be Glue styling gel. As you can see, I'm running on low. I barely have anything in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and get these laid. I'm going to lay these edges down. Excuse me, I can't even talk. Lord. I'm going to lay these edges down, and you just want to make sure that you do go ahead and lay them down with a headscarf too, because I'm telling you, the difference it makes when you lay your hair down with a silk scarf is amazing. So yeah, you definitely don't want to skip that step. And then we're going to move right into actually getting the ponytail together. So the hair that I'm going to be using is by Outre. This is some spring twist hair. I got it from samsbeauty.com. I believe right now they're running a special for $5.99. So you really only need one pack. As you can see, there's 3 different bundles inside of each pack, and I only use 1.5. So this pack is enough for 2 ponytails. You're going to take a scrunchie of your choice. You can use this or you can use the rubber band. It's up to you. And honestly, this scrunchie was a little too small because as you're going to see, I'm going to be struggling trying to put it on. But you pretty much just want to wrap it around the hair and tie it so that you can pull one side through and you will have an actual ponytail. It's really just that easy and that simple. I promise you anybody can do it. So this is what we have here. We have our homemade ponytail, and as you can see, I'm going to unveil what my sleek ponytail looks like under here. I'm telling you, the scarf definitely makes a difference. Look at those waves. Like, oh yes, I love it. So as you can see, I'm just going to wrap my hair around into a bun. And I can definitely say that there is a strategic way that you want to put this ponytail on your hair. You want to make sure it's facing up so that when it flips over, it will cover your bun. Now, I didn't have any issues with the wind blowing. However, I know certain people ask about that. And if you feel like the ponytail is going to expose your bun, all you have to do is just take some hairpins and just pin it down. And then after I do this, I am going to fluff the hair out as well as wrap a little bit of the hair around the ponytail and then stick around for the finished look. as you can see, this is the finished look. Absolutely in love with how beautiful, how flawlessly this came together. To be honest with you, you can sleep in this. I did sleep in my ponytail, just wrapped it around a scarf and then slept with a bonnet on top, and I kept it in for maybe like 4 days. I took the ponytail off and I'm still able to use it. While I'm recording this video now, which is a whole week and a half later, I actually just recently just put the crochet ponytail back in my hair, and it still looks as good as new in this video. So definitely make sure you check the links in the description box. Please like and comment this video, share it with your family and friends or anybody that you may know, and I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. I hope you all are staying safe and practicing social distancing. Hopefully everything will be back to normal soon. Love you guys. Talk to y'all later.